Welcome to the world of exploration. Let's start learning. Alright, so we'll start off with conceptual skills. The manager should have the ability to view the organization as an integrated system with its various subsystems connected to each other. An organization has a number of verticals which perform a variety of functions. The manager must be able to understand and relate his function with the other functions that are carried out in the organization using his conceptual skills. The thinking process that is inherent in the conceptual skill attributes to the managerial function of decision making. Management thinkers regard this skill as the critical skill for the top management, who strategize, formulate goals and objectives for the entire organization, and also the middle management, who gets things done and contribute to the achievement of the goals of the organization. Analytical skills. The analytical skills are equally important for a manager to perform his functions. Logical analysis of the problem situation assumes importance in the context of organizational functioning. It is all the more significant in the current context in view of knowledge and the data that is generated in the management of business across the world. In these days of data explosion, big data, data mining, data analytics have assumed significance. Technology has simplified the way the data can be treated and processed, but it becomes incumbent on the manager to interpret and make sense out of the data that is generated in the organizations. Analytical skills of the manager to apply logical and systematic approaches to analyze the alternatives and provide the optimal solution thus assumes significance in the contemporary context. Activity 1. Parents are the best managers of our house. Observe your mother or father, see for yourself which of those skills they use in their working. Write down the skills used for each activity in the order of priority. You will know the skills required in their functioning. Repeat the same in the formal organizational context. Management levels. In organizations which are small in size, scale, and scope, the owner manages all the activities needs no support from others. For example, a small store or a small consultancy is handled by the founder with minimal support. However, with its growth and increase in the size of the organization, it becomes difficult for a single individual to run the business. A need for a formal organization and the establishment of formal authority structures becomes a necessity. Management activities are categorized into 3 levels: top, middle, and lower level. The 3 levels are organized along hierarchical lines so that each level could be supervised by the immediate level over and above it. The functions of each level depend on the size, scale, technology, culture prevailing in the organization. Further, the number of managerial positions at each level differ from organization to organization. The top level management. Top level management is concerned with the organization as a whole and has interaction with the external environment. The interaction mandates that the manager works with the individuals and outside organization. They are appointed by the governing body of the organization and are usually referred to as the chief executive officer, president, chairman, etc. in large organizations. They are empowered to take decisions pertaining to the organization. Besides the CEO, the board also appoints the senior supervisor, senior vice president, executive director, all of whom part of the top level management and involved in taking decisions which affect the entire organization. They work with the middle level managers in the implementation of the organizational strategy and maintain overall control over organizational performance. The role of top level management is to formulate organizational strategy and controlling resources. They are also considered the strategy architects and organizational leaders. In their leadership role, they have to create and articulate a broader corporate purpose in which people can identify to which people enthusiastically commit.